Morning. Good morning, it is Tuesday, December 29th. Welcome to the vlog. I woke up around 8, it's now 8:11. I took Cora out to use the potty. And now I'm about to drink some water because that's like the first thing I try to do every morning. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put on my workout clothes because if I don't, I will not go work out. And then I'm gonna make my bed, make a cup of coffee, and I'll see y'all after that. I'm just wearing a pair of Fabletics leggings, this little shirt that I don't even know where I got from, and then black Nike sports bra and some socks. Hi, beautiful. You're just watching mommy? You're so cute. Coffee time. I have been loving using whole bean coffee, if you can see, and grinding it up myself. Honestly, it tastes so good. I have a little grinder right here that I'm about to do some grinding up in, and then I'm going to put it in my little reusable K-cup. While my coffee is brewing, I like to check on my plants every morning, which is kind of weird, but something I really like to do. Like this yellow leaf right here, I'm just gonna like pull it off because if you don't know, once the leaf turns yellow like this, it's not gonna go back to green. So you might as well just pop it off, throw it down there. And then this one, these two are both slow growing plants, so I never really see new growth on there. But these have been doing really good lately. I got 2 new leaves, very excited. But I got this little plant, which are really hard to find, and they're actually very expensive if they get big. So it's called a string of pearls, but I got that. So love that, can't wait to watch it grow. This one, I don't have any new leaves growing. I've been checking for a while, but I'm hoping that eventually I will. What are you eating? Cora. Did you get the yellow leaf out the trash can? That's not good. No. And then I usually always add a little bit of oat milk to my coffee. I like it black most of the time, but this coffee that I got is really, really strong. I got it from Whole Foods. It's like a local coffee. And so I have to put some of this like unsweetened almond milk. I hate almond milk. This oat milk into my coffee just to kind of like mellow it out. So good morning. I'm sitting down now drinking my coffee. Oh, that's hot. This is kind of like my routine in the morning. I wake up, take Cora out first thing, then I come inside, usually make my bed, make coffee, sit down and kind of just relax and let my body wake up. I'm not a super big morning person, so I can't just like jump up and like jump into things. Like I can't like wake up and run to the gym. Absolutely not. That sounds horrible. But I am gonna work out this morning. TBH, I have not worked out in a while. I was home for a few weeks for Christmas, and so it's been a little while. I'm not gonna take y'all with me to the gym because it is a small gym and it's in my apartment building, so it's just like a few floors down, and I just don't know who is gonna be in there. Mornings are usually like a kind of a busy time for the gym, and so since we're so close to each other, I don't really want to like be vlogging and be all up in people's faces. Also don't like know anyone in my building, and I don't want to get labeled like the weird girl who walks around with a camera. Say hey. Say hey. Hey, little girl. Hi. You want to get out of your crate? Yeah? Hi guys, back from my workout. I have a meeting with Tyson, who is one of like pretty much my employees, at literally in 25 minutes. I don't know what I'm gonna wear. It's actually not that cold outside, so I might just throw on a pair of jeans and just like a casual top or something. So I'm done getting dressed. I'm just wearing this black top. It's like a pico top. I'm wearing a little snake skin belt. I don't know, I got it for Christmas like a year or two ago. And then these like mom type wide leg jeans from Target. And then let's show you my shoes. My shoes are Sam Edelman loafers. Cora, do you want to show your OOTD? It is now 9:41. I am about to like reheat my coffee, and then I'm gonna sit down and me and Tyson are gonna have a call about work, and then I need to get some work done. I'll probably make some breakfast and I'll like share that all with you once I get started on it, but just give me a little rundown before the day actually gets started. I'm gonna reheat my coffee with this little contraption that I got for Christmas. It's a little hot pan for your coffee, and you just like set your coffee on it and it heats it up. So we're gonna pop that on there. Then I need to get my computer out. I try to pack up my computer and iPad and stuff the night before, so in the morning it's not like the first thing I grab, because if it just sits out, I will seriously grab it in the morning while I'm drinking coffee and scroll through it, get my iPad out because I might need that. Just a little rundown if you're wondering like why I'm about to have a meeting with Tyson, which is like my best friend and you'll see him in vlogs. It's because he works for me in my digital marketing firm. He is kind of like my employee, my creative director. I love him. He helps me so much. If you don't really know also like what I do, which I figured I'd sit down and do a video eventually about it, but I pretty much run people's social medias for a living and started my own business with it. And then I also run this company called Ziggy, which is a really awesome wellness company that creates bundles and has like a marketplace where we sell a ton of awesome healthy wellness products, which I'll probably do a video and talk about all of that. If you want a video of me going into depth of like what I'm doing now, how I am making a living, I'm completely on my own. I'm 100% financially independent, and so just kind of like talking about how I got to that point and what it's also like, because being an adult is actually really hard. But if you want to see a video like that, give this video a thumbs up or leave me in the comments like saying you want a video like that so I can share with y'all what y'all want to see.
Bye vlog.
So I just got off the call with Tyson. It literally lasted like 15 minutes. But now I'm going to make breakfast. I've really been into avocado toast on like, Cora, I'm going to step on you, on like sourdough bread. So I think that's what I'm going to make. It's got a loaf of sourdough that I got from Whole Foods. And then I have half an avocado. And then I also have these fresh eggs that I just recently got. I'm doing a big piece of toast and a little piece of toast because I have like the sourdough loaf has like a ton of little pieces. And so I'm just going to put like a little bit of avocado on that, but just do my big one as like my main one with an egg on top. My two favorite seasonings for avocado toast is the everything but the bagel seasoning, and then cayenne pepper to make it a little bit spicy. Bone apple tit. Hey guys, it is 1:13. I'm not sure when the last time I talked to you was, maybe around like 10:30 or something like that. 3 hours, maybe 3 hours. I've been working for about 3 hours. Just had to do some emails and some Instagram stories, and right now I'm just waiting on a client to approve some Instagram stories that I just sent to her. And once she approves, then I'm pretty much done for everything that like needs to be done for today. And then I'm gonna take like a little break, and then I'll work on things later that I kind of want to prep for tomorrow. Cora is currently chewing on her cheese, and my mom accidentally got her the extra large size cheeses, and so it's like huge for her, but she like doesn't even care. Like, look at her go. Do you see her? Like, look how big that cheese is. Ooh, I wonder if I can sit y'all there and y'all not fall. I mean, it is a little crooked, but better than nothing. I want to get a tripod that like mounts to my car, but I know that's gonna be so weird. Like, people are gonna be like, what the heck is stuck on her car? Like, why is she filming herself? I am going to go to Whole Foods. I better make sure I got a mask. Okay, yeah, I do. I'm gonna go to Whole Foods and Aldi. I'm probably gonna go to Aldi first because Aldi's way cheaper, and so I'm gonna get majority of what I can get from Aldi at Aldi, and then I'll go to Whole Foods and get like the rest of the stuff that I want from Whole Foods. I might start by Starbucks, maybe not. I don't really need to because I literally have my favorite coffee and my favorite tea at my apartment. But you know, sometimes you just like want Starbucks. I also am like really obsessed with their Rice Krispie treats. Do I need it? No, but they're so good. Hold on, maybe this lighting will adjust. Okay, it is literally so good. And so I might go get a Rice Krispie treat and then also like a tea because I love tea. Whole Foods and Aldi is only like 15 minutes away from where my apartment is. It really isn't that far. It's like 2 or 3 miles, but it's about 15 minutes. You have to cross this really big bridge, which I will show y'all. If you're not from Charleston, then you're probably gonna think this bridge is really pretty. If you're from Charleston, then you probably see it enough and you're kind of over it. I still think it's pretty because I've only been here for a short amount of time, but I will show y'all. I'm stuck behind this big old truck. This is the bridge I was talking about. It's so pretty. I'm at Aldi. I got my grocery list. I got my reusable bag. Oh no, the line is so long. I got reusable bag. Can I get a grande iced green tea unsweetened and a marshmallow dream bar? Thanks. Would you like a receipt? No, thank you. Thank you. And that girl just like walked out in front of me. Luckily I was looking or I would have rammed her. So I have all my groceries laid out. I'm gonna go through them. So I got 2 things of raspberries. I love raspberries, and I also am really into doing raspberries in a dark chocolate chip and like sticking it in the little like raspberry hole and eating it for dessert. It's really, really good. Blueberries, these are probably like my favorite berries out of all. And then I'm also gonna put these in smoothies. Berries are really low in sugar compared to like other fruits, so they're really good if you're like trying to lose weight. And so I'm kind of on a diet. I wouldn't really call it a diet, more of like a little health kick, but just to kind of lose some of that weight I put on for the holidays. And then I got some ground chicken because I'm going to be making my like famous chili recipe that I make all the time. I absolutely love it. Then I got a cucumber. I'm going to slice this up for like dipping with hummus. And then I got bell peppers that are going to go in the chili. And then I got this little eucalyptus mix. It's really pretty. I'm going to put it in the bathroom. I'll show y'all once I have that set up. Then I got some greens. I'm going to put this in smoothies. And then if I want to make salads or add it to some chili just for some greens, like when I reheat the chili later on, this would be good for that. I got sour cream because I like to do sour cream on top of my chili. Heavy whipping cream because I am going to be making another one of my famous dishes, vodka pasta. And I make it with this. And so I have that. And then I also wanted to try a different type of oat milk. So I got this Califia Farms protein oat milk. And I thought it was cool because it has protein in it. And I don't think normal oat milk really does. Then I have this spicy hummus from Cava. Cava was a really popular restaurant in New York that I never went to. But I wanted something to dip veggies in because, oh, also didn't tell you, I got carrots. These are for dipping veggies. So like these 2 are going to be my veggie dippings for the week, like snack wise. So those, and then this is the hummus that I'm going to go with it. And I was very intrigued by the spiciness because I like spicy things. And then I got this hot chili. Why did I just say it like that? Then I got this hot chili seasoning mix. I've never tried the hot version before, but this was all they had. So we'll see. It might make me cry. Chicken broth for the chili. This organic Maranatha raw almond butter. This is for smoothies. I have a smoothie recipe that I recently like found that I really want to try. It's called the Fab 4 by Be Well by Kelly. The thing that cost so much at Whole Foods was this raw organic protein powder. A lot of people that I follow use this, recommend it. It's supposed to be really good. It was like $40. I might could have found it cheaper off Amazon, but I just wanted to go ahead and get it, so I bought it. So that was what made like the Whole Foods so expensive, but it's one of those things that I would only probably buy once in like a few months. So it's not that big of a deal, I guess. And then I've been wanting to try this, y'all. It's the bonsai chickpea pasta, and I got the shells for the vodka pasta that I'm going to be making, and I'm very excited to try it. I'll keep y'all updated on that. And then these are my favorite snacks. One of my favorite snacks are these so delicious dairy-free coconut milk ice cream sandwiches. They taste so much like ice cream sandwiches, honestly, and if you're a fan of coconut milk or you're not a big dairy person, these are really good. Then I got this flaxseed because this is also supposed to be going in the smoothie. And then 4 canned things. I got kidney beans for the chili, corn for the chili, diced tomatoes for the chili, and then tomato paste for the vodka pasta. And that is everything I got. If you're curious, I spent $20 at Aldi, and let's see. And I spent $90.80 at Whole Foods. Got my veggies in my little container ready to go to be snacked on. Ooh, I dropped a cucumber. I got my raspberries drying, my blueberries drying. So this is what it looks like. I put it all together, put it in some water with a little bit of fertilizer, and I just think it looks really pretty and just kind of like adds a little bit of pop and like liveliness to this bathroom since like I don't have a window. It's been a few hours maybe since I last talked to you. I did a little bit of work and now I'm laying in the bed with Cora. I'll probably watch some TikTok for a little while. The sun is going down. Here, I'll show you. It's always so pretty at this time. I can't see the sunset, but it always reflects off of this brick column right here and I can see it. Just lit this little candle. Oh, that looks so cute. This little corner of my little TV stand is really cute with my picture of my family and a little plant. I still have my Christmas tree up, but I'm gonna get it out this weekend. You're just sitting with your cheese. You're so cute. And I love that lamp. I love the little lines it does off of it. That plant looks so sad. I was supposed to water my plants today and I didn't. I have prepped for dinner. So I have a big pot that is heating up with some olive oil in it. Then I like to use ground chicken as like my protein for it. Then this is the seasoning pack that I put in. I have 1 onion chopped up, 2 orange peppers, like bell peppers, and 1 red bell pepper. It calls for 2, like my normal recipe calls for 2 bell peppers, but these were all pretty small, so I just went ahead and did 3. Then I did 2 cloves of garlic, dark red kidney beans, whole sweet corn, and diced tomatoes, and then chicken broth and a little bit of water. And then sometimes I throw in like a little bit of extra seasonings if I just feel like it, maybe some extra salt, extra garlic powder, anything like that. So I've mixed everything in and now I'm going to bring it to a boil. And then once I brought it to a boil, I'm going to turn it down to low and put a lid on it and let it cook for like 30 minutes. But doesn't this look so delicious? It actually kind of looks kind of weird because there's so much stuff in it, but once it like cooks and comes all together, it is delicious. Dinner is ready. I just added some Parmesan cheese and some sour cream, and then I mixed it all up. So I was just sitting here minding my business, eating my dinner, doing some work on my computer, and an email just came through, and it was from Starbucks, and opened it up, and it's a $100 Starbucks gift card from one of my clients. It's like a Christmas gift, and I'm like, oh my gosh, that's so sweet because she literally pays me every week to like run her Instagram and stuff, and then she also sent me a Christmas gift of a $100 Starbucks gift card on top of that. Like a $25 Starbucks gift card, I would have been like, oh my gosh, that's so sweet. A $100 Starbucks gift card? Like, I literally have the best job. Catch me at Starbucks every day from now on. I got my bath run. I'm about to put in some of this Dr. Teal's, if it would focus, this Dr. Teal's bath oil. Just putting a few drops in just because I feel like it moisturizes my skin. Then I'm gonna add in a little bit of bath salt. And now I'm about to get in and relax for probably about 30 minutes or so. So I'm gonna end the vlog here. I hope you enjoyed this little day in my life. Back at it since I've been gone for so long. If you have any video requests or if you like this video and want me to make more, let me know in the comments down below, and I'll see you in my next video, guys. Good night.